Hello, welcome back. My name is Hector with Meistergram, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to set up the thread stand on your Meistergram GEM 1500 TC. We'll begin by installing the 4 included columns for the thread stand. You'll notice there's 4 screw studs already pre-installed on the top of the thread cone base. Simply take the thread column and screw it into that stud. You may secure it by using an Allen wrench and inserting it into the top hole, using that to torque it down. Repeat the steps for the other 3 columns. Next, remove the attached hex screws at the top of the columns. Now take the top of your thread rack and put it on top of the columns. Now take the screws that you removed from the top of the thread columns and insert them into the top of the thread stand. Using a 4mm hex wrench, go ahead and tighten the screw. Repeat the steps for the other 3 columns. Your machine comes pre-threaded. Once you install the thread rack, all you'll need to do is take your thread tubes and insert them into the top tension. Then you'll go ahead and thread the tensioner and thread the back plate of the top tensioner. Repeat the process for the other 14 tubes. And that concludes on how to set up your thread stand. Thanks for watching. Hope you found the video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press on the like button if you like what you saw, and follow us for more videos. See ya.